In this Argos support video, we'll show you how to quickly clear a paper jam and keep your shredder running smoothly. Before you begin, always switch off and unplug the shredder from the main supply. This prevents it from restarting unexpectedly while you're working on it. First, check the waste bin. A full bin is a common cause of jams. Empty it, plug the shredder back in, and see if the issue is resolved. If it's still jammed, switch the shredder into reverse. This can help loosen the blockage. If needed, alternate between reverse and auto or forward mode a few times to help free the paper. If the jam doesn't clear, unplug the shredder again before handling it. Remove the top section and inspect the paper jam. Using tweezers or similar, carefully remove as much trapped paper as possible. Do not attempt to clear blockages with your fingers. Use scissors or a knife to cut away tightly wrapped pieces and carefully remove any paper or plastic causing a blockage. If the blockage persists, try applying a small amount of dedicated shredder oil to the blocked debris. This can help loosen the material and free the blockage. Once cleared, we recommend lubricating the blades. This can be done by applying shredder oil directly to the blades of the shredder and running the machine forwards and in reverse to distribute it evenly. Alternatively, dedicated shredder oil sheets are available. Feed these through the machine, then run a few plain sheets to absorb excess oil. To prevent future jams, avoid overloading. Always follow the recommended sheet limit for your shredder and let each load finish before adding more paper. Proper care will extend the life of your shredder and keep it working efficiently. For further support and guidance, please visit argos-support.co.uk.